This video will show you how to calibrate the build plate for your CoLiDo Compact 3D printer. If your filament is struggling to stick to the build plate and being dragged around by the nozzle, or you have little or no filament coming out of the nozzle, then you may need to calibrate your build plate. Start by clicking the Z Home button within the Manual Control tab of Repetier Host. This will raise the build plate to the top of the printer ready for calibration. Move the print head so the nozzle is over the back right wing nut. Take the gold test sheets that came with the printer and place it between the nozzle and the build plate. Rotate the wing nut anti-clockwise so the build plate moves closer to the nozzle, or clockwise if you need to move the build plate further away from the nozzle. Check the distance by moving the test sheet around. If you can move the test sheet and feel a small amount of resistance, then that point is calibrated. You can also check by looking at the reflection in the test sheet. There should be no gap between the nozzle and the reflection. Remove the test sheet and move the print head so the nozzle is over the front wing nut and place the test sheet in between the nozzle and the print head. Check the distance between the build plate and nozzle with the test sheet by adjusting the wing nut. Remove the test sheet and move the print head so the nozzle is over the back left wing nut. Place the test sheet onto the build plate and adjust the wing nut so the distance between the nozzle and the build plate is correct. Finally, check the back right wing nut in case the distance has changed from when it was first calibrated. You may need to repeat this process to get the calibration perfect.